Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the experiment that is insulin hypoglycemic effect in rabbit by Professor Sabashik. So first we'll see the aim of the experiment. So the aim of the experiment is to evaluate the effect of insulin in rabbits at a different time intervals. Now we'll see the principle. So insulin is a peptide hormone produced by the beta cells of pancreas in response to the high glucose level in the blood. As we all aware of that, whenever there is an increased blood glucose level, that time the insulin is released in our body. So what happens? A released insulin act on the insulin receptor on the body cell and activate the glucose transporter, and this glucose transporter help to absorb more glucose into the cell. So from the we can say from the blood the glucose is now transferred to the cell and thereby regulate the carbohydrates, protein and fat metabolism in the body, and ultimately it will reduce the blood glucose level. Whereas the reduced blood glucose level, what it will do? So reduced blood glucose level inhibit insulin release and stimulate the alpha cell of pancreas to release glucagon, and this glucagon is released to maintain the glucose level in the body by glycogenolysis and by gluconeogenesis. So this is the principle behind this experiment. So basically, in short, we can say that whenever there is an insulin, it will reduce the blood glucose level. Now we'll see the requirements. Animal, we require rabbits weighing 1.8 to 2.2 kg. Drugs, 20 unit of insulin preparation we required, and reagent we required include normal saline, HCl, 0.5% phenol, 14 to 18% glycerin. Now we'll see the procedure. So first, select the healthy rabbit weighing 1.8 to 3.2 kg. Maintain in a uniform diet for 7 days. Animal fasted for 18 hours with no excess of water before the start of the experiment. Then withdraw the 2 ml of blood from the marginal ear vein of each rabbit and estimate the blood glucose level by using the suitable method. So we will use method like either we will use a glucometer to find out the blood glucose level, or by using a colorimeter we can also estimate the blood glucose level. So what the blood glucose level that we determined here is termed as initial blood glucose level. Once we determine the initial blood glucose level, then inject the insulin 1 unit per ml to the animals. So how to prepare this solution? So basically we'll prepare the stock solution. So prepare a drug solution freshly, weigh 20 units of insulin accurately and dissolve in a normal saline. It is then acidify the solution by using HCl to a pH 2.5. Then add 0.5% of phenol as a preservative and 1.4 to 1.8% of glycerin and make the final volume to 20 units per ml of the solution. So we'll prepare the stock solution, and from the stock solution we'll inject the insulin to the animal as 1 unit per ml. Then check the blood glucose level up to 5 hours of interval of 1 hour each. So basically we will check the blood glucose level of the animal after each 1 hour till 5 hour and determine the blood glucose level, and it is termed as final blood glucose level, and compare both initial and the final blood glucose level. So initially we have taken the blood glucose level, then we injected the insulin, and after injecting the insulin at each hour we will detect the blood glucose level, which is termed as final blood glucose level till 5 hours. Now we'll see the observation table. So as we have taken the 3 rabbits, so initial blood glucose level is 136.79, 139.43, 142.45. We will take average of mean of it. So mean come here as 139.55. Now after injecting the insulin, Now we'll check the final blood glucose level at a different time interval. So after 1 hour, the mean blood glucose level of all three animal, it will come here as 125.67. What we have done here, we have determined the blood glucose level in first rabbit, then in second rabbit, and then in third rabbit, and then we will take a mean of it, and it will come here as 125.67. Then accordingly, after 2 hours, the mean percentage blood glucose level come here is 80.70. Then after 3 hours, the mean blood glucose level come here is 90.93. After 4 hours, it will come, the mean blood glucose level come here as 115.97. Whereas after 5 hours, the blood glucose level come here is 133.85. So now we can clearly see here that after giving insulin, the blood glucose level gradually fall. But when we conclude it, so conclusion include a decrease in mean blood glucose level was observed at a different time interval, and the maximum decline was noted after 2 hours, which determine the hypoglycemic effect of insulin. So basically after 2 hours of injection of insulin, the maximum hypoglycemic effect of insulin is seen. So this we can conclude here that insulin reduces the blood glucose level. So this is all about the experiment. Thank you.